So, one of the biggest misconceptions in sales is that a salesperson's job is to convince and persuade. But you can't convince anyone of anything. They can only convince themselves if they believe it's the right decision for them. So, for example, during a sales meeting, when you believe that it is a good fit and that you could help this person, instead of telling them, oh, we'd love to work with you, let me walk you through the products or service, instead of doing that, ask in the form of a question. So it might sound something like this. So, John, just based on this discussion, I'm just curious, how do you think we could help you? And then just be quiet. And what this will do is it will allow your prospect to start thinking about all the reasons that they might work with you, and they will start to express that. And when they start to do that, they have full ownership because it's coming from them. You're not telling them something, you're not pushing them. And everything they say will have the effect of convincing them if it is a good fit. And if it's not, at least you know, and it's not one of these think it overs who just disappear and you never hear from them again. You have full transparency and you can see exactly where they are. So they might just think you're the best thing since sliced bread. They might have further questions. But either way, you've taken them to a place where they're actually doing the thinking and you can then listen to the answers and you can respond appropriately. But just watch as this will shift the dynamic of your conversations and it will allow you to draw out the right things as opposed to trying to push on the wrong things.